What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. I hope I can motivate you to make some beats with me right now. You feel me? So make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you learn the most out of it and you can work with me. You feel me? Anyways, today I want to make a YEAT type beat. He just dropped an album and I wanted to kind of make something in that type of style, something really raw and hard knocking at the same time. You feel me? So we're just going to dive right into it. But before we do so, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. You feel me? Really appreciate you guys. But before we start the video, this video is sponsored by Hand Claps. Shout out to Hand Claps for making this video possible. You feel me? Hand Claps is a software that allows you to create hip-hop videos for your beats or maybe little segments of your videos and just post them on Instagram, TikTok or YouTube. It's really user-friendly and you don't need to do a course or something to learn it. It's just it speaks for itself. It's super easy to use. You can easily create a video in under 5 minutes, so it's super fire in my opinion. Definitely go check it out. The link is in the description down below. I also have there a coupon code that allows you to get 10% off, so if you're already there, might as well grab it. Feel me? So let's just dive right into the video, gang. So right here I got my tempo at 158 and let's open up Serum. Okay, so that is sounding nice already. Really like that rage vibe. What I'm going to do right here is copy these notes over, these chords. Then I'm going to press Option A and turn this into an arpeggiator. Let's add some shaper back just to make it go left and right. Right, let's add another counter melody, something really crazy, and then I'm going to add that YEAT bell. We know we need to add that YEAT bell. Low-key, the bell is fire though. I think it was 2016 or 15 that they used the bell a lot and they brought it back in a good way, so that shit is fire. What I'm already going to do is on the hi-hat, on the first notes right here, I'm going to add a roll. That way when the 808 comes in, it hits 10 times harder. Now my favorite 808 is from my Astral drum kit. It's the Lucid 808. Super fire 808 in my opinion. It just knocks super hard, and really for these rage type of beats, it's just perfect. Okay, so we have everything we need. Time to structure the beat right now, and then we're done. Right now it's sounding super fire in my opinion. I added that little bell right there. I might just maybe use it for the bridge or something, but I can definitely hear like YEAT or Playboy Carti rapping on this. Wow, this beat is super fire. It hits hard. I don't know about the bell though, if it fits there, but I made it work a little bit. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SconnerBeats. This tutorial showed you how to make like a rage beat in the style of like YEAT and Playboy Carti. Like I can definitely hear YEAT doing like a verse on this or something, or maybe the hook, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys.